Prior to the application of Limewash paint, it's a good idea to do a simple and quick test to determine if your surface has the right absorbency for Limewash paint. Differences in absorbency can make the finish look uneven or patchy. To eliminate any older surface repairs showing through the finished paintwork, or to eliminate the ghosting of outlines of gypsum board or plasterboard panels, your wall surface must be of equal absorbency. That is achieved by applying a water-based drywall sealer undercoat. The test results will show you 3 different results. 1. The water is not absorbed and it dries slowly but evenly across the surface. 2. The water dries very fast but evenly. And 3. The water dries unevenly and shows any repaired or joint spots along the surface of your wall. For test results 1 and 2, we recommend to apply Bauwerk Prep Coat, 1 coat. For test result number 3, we recommend that you seal your wall first with an undercoat primer, a sealer basically, that eliminates the absorption differences. Then follow with 1 coat of Prep Coat. Thanks for watching the video, have fun doing it and trust the process.